Hi there, Ben again at Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. So I thought I'd just show you some new stock. It's a 2016 66 plate Discovery 4. It's the Landmark edition, so it is the run-out model of the 4. So it's got lovely spec. Finished in Yulong White metallic. It's got the upgraded 20-inch alloys. So it's got sort of black accents with the mirrors, black grille. So really is nice looking thing. So it's obviously got the front and rear sensors, it's got the reverse camera. I say they are well spec'd. It's obviously got the keyless entry, got Meridian sound, it's got the front TV, it's got rear entertainment, it's got the twin sunroofs, well the triple sunroofs to be fair, heated front seats, second row is heated as well. Very well cared for. Barely looks like it's been sat in the back. It's I say got the rear entertainment in the back. Real family wagon. I say they really were a good model with the run out. Virtually through every bit of spec on these. They were really great. Again, tailgate wise, split. Obviously two rear pop out seats in the rear, so true 7-seater. Yeah, really does look very well cared for. Not long just been serviced, and it's had a cambelt replacement as well. Exact miles on the vehicle is 83,804. I say it really is a lovely bit of kit. So we've got obviously sat nav, Bluetooth, reverse camera, your climate control, like I say, heat front seats. It's got the cool box as well. So it really is very well cared for. Heated front screen, got all the toys, so your cruise control, speed limiter, heated steering wheel. So it really is a lovely bit of kit. I'd certainly, these things don't normally hang around, so any interest, want to come and book a test drive, my name is Ben, thanks for watching. Telephone numbers 01423 33 1133. Hopefully speak to you soon.